Okay, so let's see if this is going to help you guys whip up your conceptual car designs. So like we've done before, I've started with the box and I'm lightly working on my lines. There is no wrong line in design, which you'll see later as we darken things up. So here you can see I'm starting to darken the outlines to sort of form the shape of the car that's going to be called the flame. Well, there we go, dark outline around the outside makes it stand out from the page. And you'll see the wheels, I'm using the bigger skinny wheels for the front of the car and the short black ones for the back. As far as the technique goes now, you can see I'm firming in the lights, the grille and the windscreens and windows and some details onto the wheels. Did I mention that no line is a wrong line in design? And now I'm adding a little bit of shade and detail. You can see I've just sort of smudged in some shade onto the side of the vehicle there and put some sort of like reflective lines there. The black outline with the marker there has made it really stand out from the page. And now I'm adding some key annotations just to add a little bit of detail to what the design is with the sunroof and no doors, what the wheels are, blah, 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 blah. And now I'm starting to add in a bit of background imagery just to make it look a little bit more real. So I'm sort of whipping up a road here with some crowd behind a barrier and some banners with some advertising and gates and other stuff like that, just to actually put the car into a real setting. When I do version 2 of this, I'm going to add some colour and you'll see the difference. Down there I'm adding a little bit of shadow, okay, and darkening that in with a black pencil. And I must take a little bit of break here. What am I looking for? Oh, there we go, getting a different pencil to put my heading in. Now your heading really needs to be something other than just a scribble. It really should stand out. So here you can see I put a little bit of effort into calling it the flame. And now I'm just adding some dark lead pencil outline and a little bit of shading there to add some three-dimensionality to the heading. Once we've done a heading, it's border time, and remember it's not a margin, so you can be creative and funky with what you're doing here, and always put your design by or your logo or name on it somewhere. Now I'm going around with the black pencil and making a thicker outline just to make my border look a little bit more formal and make the rest of my imagery stand out, and some touch-ups and darkening a few things here and there just to make it look a little bit better. Lastly, I'm just adding some dimensions down on the bottom. Now, often you'll see dimensions drawn onto the drawing, but in this case, I didn't want to take away from the background imagery, so I just popped the length, height, and width specs there. So I hope this helped you out, guys. Till next time.